Module 1. Active Aerodynamics. Air is treated not as an obstacle, but as a primary tool for maximizing mechanical grip without compromising top-end velocity. ESP10 active flaps, 4 independently controlled aerodynamic surfaces, 2 front, 2 rear, that function as intelligent air brakes and stabilizers to balance the chassis in real time during high-speed cornering and deceleration. ESP11 negative lift coefficient, the vehicle's inherent ability to generate significant downforce, effectively pinning the chassis to the tarmac without the requirement of a massive fixed rear wing. ESP12 inertial sensors, a 3-axis sensory array that detects millimetric pitch and roll variations, allowing the ECU to preemptively adjust aero balance before the driver even perceives the movement. Module 2. Power flow and drivetrain. Transferring 1000 Nm of torque from an AMG V12 requires drivetrain components capable of withstanding extreme thermal and mechanical stress. ESP13 Xtrac sequential transmission, a 7-speed gearbox mounted in a transverse orientation to optimize the vehicle's center of gravity and polar moment of inertia. ESP14 dual disc dry clutch, specifically engineered to endure high operating temperatures while ensuring instantaneous and efficient power transfer to the wheels. ESP15 electronic limited slip differential, ELSD, precisely manages torque distribution across the rear axle to ensure no horsepower is wasted through wheel spin or loss of traction. Module 3. Exhaust System Science. The Pagani exhaust is a piece of functional jewelry, engineered to manage fluid dynamics at near incandescent temperatures. ESP16 hydroformed titanium, a fabrication process that eliminates internal welds, thereby reducing gas turbulence and optimizing exhaust flow velocity. ESP17 Inconel 718, an aerospace-grade nickel-chromium superalloy utilized for its ability to maintain structural integrity at the 900 degrees Celsius temperatures generated by the twin-turbocharged system. ESP18 quad exit sonic signature, Pagani's iconic design that creates a specific harmonic frequency, transforming engine combustion into a distinct, high-fidelity auditory experience.